Hello, and thank you for attending this Tech Tip by Design R1 software. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and show you how to use the Remove Duplicates function in Excel. So as you can see, I have Excel open with some random numbers generated into the column A. Let me go ahead and highlight that range that we're going to be working with. And up here across the top, go ahead and hit Data, and then select Remove Duplicates. This opens up the Remove Duplicates window, and you can select more columns. If I had information in more columns, it would take care of those as well. Once we hit OK, lets me know that it found a bunch of duplicates and there are only 5 unique values. Hit OK, and those are the unique values that I have in column A. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also follow us on Twitter at DesignR1LLC and like us on Facebook at DesignR1Software. Thank you, and look forward to the next video.